What's up, everybody? So it's been a while. Let me see, when was the last time I posted? I'm pretty sure it's been a while. It's been a month. So the reason why I've been a month away is primarily because I've been filming a lot. I've been trying to reach out to different small businesses to make some extra cash, because I'm not just into cars, I'm into like filmmaking and stuff, and positivity, optimism, all that good stuff. But enough about that. Today's video is going to be a parts haul. And now you guys are thinking, oh, it's going to be for the Lexus. No, unfortunately it's not going to be for the Lexus, primarily because in my last video I talked about how I needed to smog the Honda. If you guys didn't know, I have a Honda. It is a 1994 Honda Civic hatchback with a barred legal GSR swap, and I've been trying to save up money for that, and also saving money for other personal stuff. But let's just move on with the little parts haul that I got for the Honda. Number one is this. You guys are wondering, okay, I got something from eBay. Basically, what I got is, let me open this. God damn it. So if you guys are looking for Lexus videos, that's not gonna happen till I'm done smogging the Honda, and that won't be till like probably October-ish. I'm not really too sure. I just want to make sure I don't want to mess with a Lexus, because I didn't want to have a car, to drive for work and whatnot. But I got these. Boom. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you guys see that? Let me just basically what this is, it is a tire valves, I guess you could say. The reason why I got this is for my wheels that I got from Japan. So it's chrome, nothing special. I just needed something, nice to go on the wheels, and that's basically it. Number two. Okay, this is weird, but these wheels were messed up before I got this from Japan. It was all messed up. Literally, like, the lips of the wheels were like chipped. The inside was like hella peeling and whatnot. And let me just go like this for the thumbnail. 16x7 light wheels. I mean, I could hold it by one hand, no problem. But yeah, these are Advan 16x7 I got from Japan. I wouldn't really say I got a good deal on it, to be honest with you guys, because I spent a lot more money because I had to powder coat the wheels. So that's basically what I did, powder coated the wheels. They did a pretty good job. These are the original white ones. If you guys are wondering what model it is the Advan 16x7 TC01s. So they're discontinued. Originally it's white with like a blue lip, and then it's blue like right here on the side of the wheels. I just painted it white just because it's gonna look weird with a red car and a blue lip. So I just said, hey, why not, And the reason why I got Advance is because it's super light. So that's basically what it is. Here is a little center locks, Advan Touring Com 01s. Hands are pretty dirty, but it's all good, okay? Those are part number two. Part number three, this is literally my first part. I've been holding off on it, but I'll go ahead and open it. If you guys are wondering, my Honda is my first car. I remember I told myself like I was gonna get into drag racing, because like a lot of my family was into drag racing and whatnot. A lot of my friends, that's literally what the Honda scene is about in the Bay Area, just dragging and whatnot. And then that died down, and I was like, I'll probably track the car. And then I did some research, and people's car gets damaged through the tracks, because they're aggressive drivers. So I was like, I don't know about that. So I went stance, and it was cool for a bit, and then I was just like, I don't really know about that. So then now I kind of want to do autocross. I want to go to my first autocross event, but basically here's part number 3. Boom, hard race. These are the trailing arm bushings. So the reason why my car isn't even running in the first place is because I wanted to do a suspension overhaul. So I want to get new bushings, new LCAs and whatnot. So that's in the process. But boom, trailing arm bushings and whatnot. There you go. Let me see. Hard race. So my dumb ass ghetto-fied the trailing arm bushings. I use like some caulk. It's pretty ghetto. I'll probably show you guys when I fix it, but don't do that. Don't follow my footsteps, you know. But yeah, finally wanted to do things right, and so I just ended up getting trailing arm bushing replacements, and then I'm gonna buy LCAs, and then I'm thinking about getting a whole hard race bushing set, but I'm not too sure just because I don't spend a lot of more money to fix the car. So there's that. If you guys are wondering, also I'm actually gonna sell my Honda relatively soon. I wouldn't say like 3 years, but maybe less than 3 years, and I'm gonna sell it. You know, I'm getting older. So what sucks about Hondas is that it's a liability, and the reason why I say that is because they tend to get jacked super fast. You know, there are times when I would have dreams about my car getting stolen. I'd wake up right away, run outside to check. It's pretty bad. Oh my god, this is heavy. Okay, and the last part that I got for the Honda is some Powerstop brake pads. I know I should have gone like Willwood or like Brembo or like Project Moo, but I decided not to because it's pretty expensive, and just because I want to focus on smogging the car. So I mean, that's basically, you know, this is basically what I got. Yeah, Powerstop Extreme brake pads. I got this from Pep Boy, so right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there, G6s. There's that. I got the brake pads, and I also got the rotor set. Let me just open it. Oh my god, this is heavy, dude. Nice. Yep, there you guys go. So it's slotted and drilled. I know slotted and drilled is bad and it could crack easily. They prefer slotted for performance, but you know, it was relatively cheap, and I saw a good amount of good reviews on these, so the reason why I went for it. Let me just put it back. And that's basically it. I also got emergency brake lines just so I could complete my rear disc conversions, because my emergency brake handle is like more than, it's like almost 90 degrees, so it's just like right there. What is it, like right here when it should be right here? It's like literally like right there. So that's basically it. I also got a spark plug cover, so next video is going to be something relatively small, just so I could get the hang of like fixing my car and not get bit by spiders. But yeah, guys, I mean, those are basically the parts that I got. So there's going to be a lot of weekly footages unless I have a project to do. For anyone that's new or old, like I said, this isn't a Lexus channel. Unfortunately, this is just my journey with my cars. I'm into cars. You know, I have a passion for it. Yeah, so it's just like my journey, you know, like what I think would be cool is seeing where I came from, what car I started with, what knowledge I have, and just grow as an individual. Cars isn't my main priority, but it's just like a little side hobby, and I hope you guys could connect to that, because you know, cars is a lifestyle, but it's a lifestyle that I don't choose just because it's so expensive and I have like more personal goals I want to accomplish. And yeah, guys, I mean, if you guys into Honda, please like, comment, subscribe. If you guys just like cars in general, please like, comment, subscribe. But if you guys are looking for just straight up Lexus videos, you guys would unfortunately have to wait till I smog my car, and that won't be till October. But I do have a lot of plans for the Lexus and the Honda, so stay tuned. I hope this is a quick video, but I'm not too sure. Sorry if it was really quick, but I was dying to show you guys what parts I have. Like I said, I'm also getting LCAs and tires for the car, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys maybe soon. Peace out.